Welcome to my YouTube channel, my Mandarin. If you watched my previous 2 videos, you probably can count numbers from 1 to 99 in Mandarin, which is from 1 to 99. So we come to the number 100. So how to say 100? Now I have the printed version here. It's pronounced as 百. Pay attention, it's the dipping tone. You want to practice more and more. 百 b I 百. So how to write it? 百. We write one horizontal stroke, and the next one is one little thing, and then we come to vertical one, and we follow the order. Remember I said the order of the strokes is very important. As you learn more and more, and you will find it easier for you. So basically you just need to practice writing and follow my orders of strokes. And then let's pronounce this word again. 百. How to say 100? 100. 200s. 200. 300s. 300. So just keep going on and until you have 900. 900. Now let's talk about how to say 101. 101. So this is a new character, a new number I haven't taught you. So now let's talk about how to say 0. 0 can be a little bit intimidating from the perspective of writing. That is why when I teach students in the classroom, I don't teach 0 at the very beginning. It's not for the beginning level, but students are really curious and ask me how to write it. So in order, if you are curious as well, I will write down over here. First of all, the pronunciation. 零 l 银 零. So this is l, this is 银. It's rising tone. 零. It's a little bit more complicated. As I said, if you don't want to learn it right now, you can just leave it. Just try to remember the pronunciation. It'll be fine for now. As I will talk about it later on as you build up your vocabulary level. How to say 102. So this is 100, 101, 101, and then we have 102. 102. You probably got it right. And then we go on. 103. That is 103. 103. We can practice more. How to say 202. 202. 200. Let's say make it more difficult. How about 210? 210. So this is 10, but when we read 10 in the hundreds, we sometimes plus 1, this number inside. 210. How about 220? Yeah, 220. 220. 10. You probably want more practice. This time try a little bit harder. We'll just give a random number. How about 335? How to say that? 335. You got right? Another random number. How about, let's just say 555. 550. And try 999. 999. Did you get all of them correct? You should give yourself applause if you did. Well, if you don't, leave your questions or go back to my previous 2 videos to review a little bit. And in the end, you'll get them all correct. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.